Denali National Park, Alaska. Motorbike daredevil Mark Cude finds a backcountry hill he can't resist.
There's nothing more free than riding. Pretty much what I was looking for was big air. That was my adrenaline rush. And so I was looking for the biggest jump possible.
It's a dangerous jump. Mark's friends warn him against it.
Everybody was just mind-boggled by the fact that he would try and make this jump. It's huge. Absolutely enormous. It's something that I would never attempt to try.
But Mark set on it. Dead set. He guns the throttle. Mark can't get enough speed. He slams into the hill. But he's lucky.
How you feeling, Mark? You alright?
I'm gonna go for it in fifth gear next time.
Fifth gear next time. I love my chest protector.
Mark walks away with a bruised ego. But he can't resist a second try.
Yes, I was nervous. I was confident in my skill level. In fact, a little bit cocky in the fact that I thought that I could not get hurt, and I went for it.
This time, he's sure he can make it. The second crash is far worse. Mark can forget about a third try.
We knew he was hurt. He was hurt pretty bad. We're all like, oh my God, he just jumped off the bike. This can't be good.
My right leg is broken.
Mark's in a heap with a broken leg and internal bleeding. Worse, he's 15 miles from civilization.
I instantly knew that I had broken something, and I knew I needed to get to a hospital immediately.
Yeah, I don't want this.
Mark's friends make a splint for his leg. They begin a long, bumpy journey to a hospital. Mark spends several painful months in recovery. But he gets back on his bike after staring death in the face not once, but twice.